So there's a lot going on at Lake Arbor, but what they're mainly trying to do is restore the lake by improving the edges of the shoreline, stabilizing that with some rock and some riprap, and that'll help improve the trail safety as well. The other thing that they're going to be doing as well is they're dredging out some of the very nasty stuff that we've been encountering in the bottom of the lake, and a lot of that has just been building up over the years. It's mostly been due to stormwater runoff coming directly into the lake. The odor has been a significant issue of popping up over the years. It's been mostly due to the stormwater runoff just coming into the lake, and that can contribute to a lot of blue-green algae blooms. Over the years and over time, as more and more algae starts to get produced within these lakes, that hydrogen sulfide builds up even more and more. And so that was a main cause of the odors that we were smelling out here. This project will improve Lake Arbor in a multitude of ways by stabilizing the shoreline and improving the trail safety. That'll provide a better walking experience and aesthetic experience to all the trail users and park users out here. In addition, we're going to be installing a few more aerators, underwater aerators within the lake, and those can help produce more oxygen and help break up some of the chemicals and other nutrients and algae that may end up in the lake. Once the water level has returned to normal after this project next year, we're going to install some more trees, some more wetland plants as buffers around the lake edge. By having more trees around the lake, those can help provide some more shade over the water's edge, reduce the likelihood that water temperatures will increase, improve the wildlife for some of the fish, some of their habitat within the lake itself, and also just reduce the chance that more algae could end up in the lake with that. This project will be a huge first step in improving the water quality of the lake, improving the aesthetic beauty that's already here, and really just improving the overall park-goer experience by using these trails. It'll be a great new experience for folks that are coming out here, and it'll significantly improve the wildlife habitat and make that a better experience for the animals as well.